In this video, we'll learn how to install Canary's Excel add-in and configure it to connect to the Historian, where users can retrieve data, tag properties, and events. If the add-in has not already been installed by sysadmin or is available through your company's software center, the user can install it on their local machine using the Canary installer seen here. Ensure the Excel add-in application is the only selected item and click Next. The user can then choose the install location or take the defaults. Finally, select Install. A confirmation screen will appear when the installation is complete. Once installed, a Canary Labs tab will appear in the top toolbar of Excel. Before the user can request any data, they'll need to set the endpoint to connect to the Canary server. Click Settings and provide the machine name, IP address, or DNS name of the server. The add-in will connect to the View service on the port indicated. If the View service is remote from the Historian, the user will want to use the View's machine name, not the Historian. From this menu, the user can also change the time zone in which to return data. The default option will use the client's local machine time. The API token field is used to bypass the browser authentication screen. A user is prompted to authenticate whenever making their initial connection to Views to request data. If a token is not provided, the user may be prompted to log in depending on the authentication method the Canary system is configured to use. A sysadmin will need to provide a token if wanting to bypass the login screen. With our settings configured, we can click OK, at which point the add-in will attempt to connect and bring up the login screen. Again, this authentication piece may vary depending on the identity provider the Canary system is configured to use, or if an API token is in use. That's all for the initial configuration of the add-in. Thanks for watching.